Hi everyone, it's Sue and welcome back to Discovering the Art of Living, where I'm all about art, crafts, and fun. So if you want to be part of the fun, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be notified next time we have some fun together. So last week I told you about my newest adventure on YouTube where I joined up with Beebeecraft to get some free products and show you what an amazing website it is. So I will be putting all of the details in the description box below as to how you can also get some free products of your own. But basically, I joined their YouTube program where you go to their website and you pick out about $30 to $40 worth of products that you will actually use, and they have tons of craft products, and it's completely free. There's no shipping and handling charges, no credit cards involved, completely free. So you get your products within a few weeks, and all you have to do is make 3 videos for them. One unboxing video to show off all the amazing products that you got, and I did that one last week, so if you missed it, you can click on the link above. Then you just have to do 2 more amazing crafts with those products that you received. So today is DIY number 1 with my amazing Beebeecraft items. So if you want to stay tuned and see what I made, let's get started. So the first DIY project that I'm going to use with my Beebeecraft items is a paper quilling project. And I got these really beautiful paper strips in 4 packages of them. So I thought I had lots of good materials to work with. So please check out the description box below. I will put links to these specific products as well as the Beebeecraft website and the YouTube program. So I decided to fold a piece of cardstock in half. I wasn't sure if I was going to make this into a card or just a stand-up picture, but I needed a base for my paper quilling. Now the tools that I'm using I did not get from Beebeecraft, but they do have these kits there for a very reasonable price. But this board is just to shape your pieces, and then I had some other things for twirling the paper around into little circles, a little notch tool, as well as some glue. Now I should be using the glue with the little applicator on it, but I was lazy, so I just used a toothpick to spread my glue on. So I kind of went through and picked out which colors I wanted to use as I was going to try to do a hummingbird. So I went through and picked out some pinks and blues and greens. Then I cut the pieces into smaller shapes. Now I traced onto the cardstock the basic outline of the hummingbird, and then I was going to glue some pieces of paper in place. Now I have done some other paper quilling projects in the past, so if you want more detailed instructions on how to use the tools, click on the link above and that will walk you through more the step-by-step process. But like I said, it's been a while since I've done this and I forgot how labor-intensive and stressful it could be. The finished results are always beautiful, but it is very fiddly. So I basically coiled up some paper in varieties of shapes to make the hummingbird picture. So this was a very time-consuming and lengthy project, so I will not go into a lot of detail as to how I made the various shapes. Again, you can check it out on my other videos, but just sit back, relax, and I did speed it up after a little bit just so that you could see the entire process of making the hummingbird. So hopefully you enjoyed it, and let me know what you think of it. And check out beebeecraft.com and you can get your own paper quilling kit and you can try to make a beautiful creation. So like I said, sit back, relax, and watch the magic unfold.